my channel, Smile There's Wine. Emily here. Hope everyone is doing fabulous out there. Today, yay, it's the time we've all been waiting for, what we got so excited about. It's Stitch Fix time. It's Stitch Fix time. So excited. My last Stitch Fix was kind of a little bit of a miss. I asked for a Yellowstone theme box. I like to do the theme boxes every once in a while. It's like, throw me something different and crazy and wild. But then, you know, sometimes they're just like, oh, no. So today we're going back to the good old traditional, just the things I want and need, which is not much, but still love fashion, love clothing, love having many options. Although lately I've kind of just been finding myself wanting to wear leggings and like an oversized sweater. I'm so glad that's a trend right now. Like tennis shoes, fabulous trend. But yes, spring is approaching, so I think that there might be some fun things in here. I did get the preview, and the preview was pretty darn good. I kept, I think, 3 things from the preview and asked her to throw in a few more. So let's take a look at this bundle. It looks like it's falling apart a little bit, so I kind of want to push some things back in. I'm kind of really excited. I just see one of the things I'm excited about. Ooh, but look, this side's falling out, but so pretty blue. Ah! All right, well, oh, here it all goes. Here it all goes. But look at all that fun. I love those 2 blue things. Okay. Let's just do that. Let's look for the note. Okay. This could be dangerous, people. This could be dangerous. I have a great stylist. I'm not going to look at the price point because I don't do that to the end. Yes, if you're new, what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. I'm going to try it on. Then we'll look at pricing. And then we will see what I'm going to keep. So fun, Stitch Fix styles, you. I do want to share that I have a referral code below. It will save you $25 off your first box. You guys should totally think about doing Stitch Fix. It's so fun. You don't have to use my referral code, but use someone's referral code. Save yourself that money. I have a girlfriend at work, and so we were just talking, and she was like, I was saying how I do Stitch Fix, and I love it, and then like 3 other people that I've gotten to start doing Stitch Fix, they love it, and she's like, I don't know. I just don't know like if it's gonna have like my sizes, and I'm awkward in certain places and blah blah blah. I'm like, no, like they can figure that out. And I was like, girl, you just deserve it. And she's like, because I never have time to go shopping. She's got 2 littles, full-time job, you know, and you could just see it. Like she wants to have the things and dress up, but it's just like, it's a lot sometimes. And I was like, you should just do it. You deserve it. And she did it. So I'm super excited for her. And she was like so excited. She was like, everything fit. Everything was so cute. And I was like, yeah, see, you deserve it, girl. You should do it. So success story there. So probably if you're watching this, you've done it before and you enjoy Stitch Fix. But if you haven't, I think it's so great. Like clothing that just comes to your door. Awesome. And just having someone pick out things for you, so great. And sometimes it's a total miss, but it's fun. It's like a little present. We love presents. All right, let's hear what Nicole has to say.
Hi Emily, and welcome to a beautiful fix to brighten up your week. I'm in a fabulous mood because here in the East Coast we are enjoying weather in the high 60s, which is absolutely unheard of this time of year. How's everything going in your neck of the woods? I'm super excited to hear that you are loving the pieces from your fix preview today, as I was loving them too, especially the comfortable blouses that you picked. Relaxed and flowy is perfect to transition easily into the spring, and I'm sure you'll love the colors of this Monday Fun Veronica blouse that we just got in. How great would it be to rock with leggings while you're at work?
I just was saying about leggings.
I'm so sorry that we didn't have many cowl neck sweaters available. However, I saw this cute pink sweater and thought it would look great with the light blue jeans. See you next time, Nicole.
Awesome. Thank you, Nicole. Looking forward to it. One thing I totally did request is some denim that is dark gray or black. And they delivered. And I think this is like a cropped length. Although this is sized up a lot. This is a 30. Huh, maybe I'll fit into it just fine. I hate sizes. But I'm like, oh, remember the days in college when I was like a 28. No, I was like a 27, 26. Those were some fun days. But, it's okay. I like my life better now. Things are good. All right, so these are super cute. No distressing. They seem like they're good cropped length. And I was totally needing this wash, this dark gray like wash. Yeah, just concerned about the size. So we will see what that looks like on though, because you know, sometimes one size says you're this and you don't fit in it. It's too big. And then the same size in a different brand says you're the same number and then it's the opposite, right? So this is cute. Oh, this is like a confetti and pink. Stop. Oh, that's so cute. What's the front look like? How cute is that? This is so fun. This is very Valentine's Day-ish, although we're past that. The General Good. This is like a new brand they're carrying a lot of. And I have so much pink, but I love pink. Pink is so good, so fun. And I love the little colors popping through here. Cute. I don't have anything like that. That's different. This, not sure about. This is by Violet and Roses. Because you know what? I have something so similar to this in my closet. That's the only reason why I'm like, oh, I literally have this pretty much in my closet. I don't think I got it from Stitch Fix. I think I got it from a different box. But same type of thing. Cute, right? It's picking up pretty pink on camera, but it is more of like a dark burgundy red. It has like these little, I don't know, pom-pom things. There's an official name for that. Sheer sleeves. Cute. I just already have this. Very similar. Okay. That's all right. That's all right. These blue things are so pretty. Monday Fun. Oh, so spring. What's happening here with neckline? Little cutout neckline. Cute. Fun. Little ruching here. And it looks like it can come down. And that was one thing I was sharing with my friend who just got Stitch Fix. I was like, they have great work blouses. Like, they just fit good, you know? They just fit good. They fit good in the shoulders. They fit good in the tummy area. They're just really good. This is so pretty. I love that. I don't think of anything like that. And then this, so soft. This is calling my name. This is good. Look at this. How pretty is this? This is by Market and Spruce. And yes, it looks just like a flannel, but it is soft, you guys. It is like baby blanket soft. It's so soft. It's good. Buttons all the way down. So cute. Okay, well, we have some combinations to do here. Some things to put on, but I'm excited, so let's do it. Okay, here I am with this first little top. It is so sweet and so cute. We're going to not worry about the wrinkles in it. That'll just need to be steamed out. But the print is so pretty. It's a nice, light, soft fabric. And it's just comfy, right? Like you just feel comfortable in it. There is some ruching here, making it kind of like a 3/4 length sleeve, but it's not so super tight where it's like driving you nuts or anything like that. I did a little front tuck because I always do that, but it is a good length. And like she was saying, you could wear it with leggings, covers the bum. And I think it's just really cute and really sweet, and I like it. So this will come down to price point and kind of just seeing how like everything else in the box works with that. So, okay, on to the next. Okay, I couldn't wait to put this on just because it was so soft, and I think it is very cute. And it's versatile. So I think that you can unbutton it in the summertime, put a little tank on underneath it, and kind of have it be more of just like a layering piece. But I think it's also great because right now, with it being cooler out, you could wear a sweater over the top of it and have like the cute little collar popping out. Let's take a little closer look. This is just like so soft, you guys. You just would not even believe it. It does have the little, does it have the roll up? No, it doesn't have the roll up tab inside, but you could just like do a little roll with it if you wanted to. Let's see how the front tuck action works here. Cute. I love the little pocket detail. I think that gives it a little something extra. It's like going in a different pattern. This is so cute, so soft. Yeah, this one's a good one too. All right, let's try on some more. Here's this next top. It is so beautiful. I really love this top. Let's take a closer look. It has these little buttons here. This is just so Valentine's Day, right? Just screams that. But if I didn't already have something so similar, this would be already probably 5 out of 5. Love the little ruching here. Has these little popcorn stitches all up and down it. It just fits really well. You can do, again, like your front tuck action. It would look cute with a skirt. Pants for work that are not jeans. So cute. But oh my goodness, seriously, I have something so similar. Although I think this is cuter. It really is. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's like, I might have to go pull out the other one. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to pull that out. We're going to compare the two. Okay, just so you all believe me, like, I'm going to show you. So it is a little bit darker. This is a little bit more of like a sweater action happening, where this is kind of definitely more like blousey, but it has the same kind of like popcorny sleeves. Help me out, guys. Is that too similar? I feel like it's just too similar. I mean, this one definitely is cuter. It has more details with little buttons. It's really cute. Okay, here I am with these pants and this little sweater here. So let's take a closer look at this sweater. I think it's pretty cute. It's kind of boxy. I don't know if it's doing anything great for me. I have a lot of this pink in my closet currently, which I love. I really do. I'm just not sure if this is something that's probably going to be added to it. I think it's cute. I really do. It's just, I don't know. It's not giving me everything I need. I think the cutest part is the little confetti colors coming through, which makes it really fun. That's kind of like the drop sleeve. It's warm, feels nice. Again, super cute. Maybe we'll hold off on opinion, wait and see what the price point says. All right, let's take a look at these jeans. So I was most excited about these jeans, and they're just not what I want. They're too short, first of all, and I know spring's coming, so cropped is great, but they need to be a little bit longer. The coloring is really nice. I really love the fade of it. I don't know. The fit, they are a little big, like they fit, but I can feel they're gonna stretch out because they already have some stretch to them. So I probably would need to just be my normal size, which is between a 28 and 29. So these are a 30. Like I could just pull them down, like that's how loose they are. So these, I'm gonna say no to. They're close, Nicole. I just want them a little bit longer. And I don't know. Let's do the recap and we'll figure it out. Time for the recap. Overall, good. But I kind of feel like everything was just a little bit off, which is hard, right? It's hard when you're trying to style. And I'm so picky. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so picky. All right, let's review. So Liverpool Hannah cropped flare jean in gray, size 10, $100. So definitely gonna pass on those. Fit was off. Just wasn't what I'm exactly looking for. Okay, the General Good, that's this one. Carlisha cropped sweater in pink, size medium, $48. That's actually a really good price for this sweater. I was thinking like if I had like a shirt underneath it, like a collared shirt, like a chambray or something, that would be really cute. Or even like putting this underneath it could be really cute as well. I'm just not sure if it's something that I need. Okay, next we have the Market and Spruce. Is that this guy? Mauve Cozy Boyfriend. I think it's this one because this is like so cozy. Yep, Cozy Boyfriend. It's funny that they call this white though. That's what's confusing me. Something it cuts off for $44. This is totally worth $44. Like, yes. I love this. It's so good. Cozy sums up that perfectly. Okay, then we have this Violet and Roses, the Briere Clip Dot Smocked blouse in burgundy size medium, $40. So cute. I just have something so similar, so I just can't do that. And then this one, which is by Monday Fun, Veronica smock sleeve blouse in blue size medium, $46. Great price. I'm going to have to check and see if I have anything similar to this in the closet. I did really think this was cute. So let's see. How did she do? She always nails price. She knows. She knows I'm cheap. So she knows price is important to me. But I am a firm believer in, yes, price, but you can find cute things, good quality things for a good price. You just have to be on the hunt. You know, you have to try your best. So she does a good job in that for me. So overall, Stylist picked $284. If I got everything, it'd take off around $71, which leaves a subtotal around $213, which is really good. It's almost about that $40 price range per item. Super awesome. I'm not going to keep everything today. I do have some additional credits, so people use my link. Thank you very much. So I feel like it's going to be these two things, but if not this, definitely this. This is staying with me. You will see it in a video, I'm sure, here real soon. All right, friends. Well, thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. We can hang out more. That would be super fun. I'd be very appreciative. And I hope you guys have a wonderful spring, and I'll be seeing you soon. Okay, bye.